Hello everyone, I am Nalini from the Venkateshwar School. Today I am telling you how to do autofill in MS Excel. So let's get started.
Hello everyone. Today I'm telling you the very important feature of Excel, that is autofill. Yes, autofill is a very useful Excel feature. It allows you to create entire columns or rows of data which are based on the values from other cells. So how to do the autofill feature in Excel, that I will tell you now. First, what you do, see, in autofill we can, when we working on the Excel, we enter the data in very large form, like you are to enter the school class marks, one class marks, or in a one class there are 40 students. So you are not write like this 1 2 3 4 5 6, it will very time taking, because of we are working on computer. That Excel gives us feature that we fill automatically the numbers 1 to 40, and what like that, this is and this the procedure called autofill series. Now I am telling you how to do autofill. Now see, first when you type, if you select the cell, then I am selecting here this cell B2 and type here 1, and after that I put the series 1 to 40. Then what to do, you just type the next cell, that is 2. Yes, now select the both cells like this. You have to select both cells. Select the both cells, then go to the right corner, that is this. See, your cursor will convert into a black plus sign. Yes, now press the left mouse key button and drag it like this, and you can also see in the left of the plus sign there is written 12. So like this you have to fill the numbers 1 to 40 like this. See, it is done. You see, 1 2 3 4 till 40, it is done, and it is done in within a seconds. Yes, so this is called autofill series, and in this fill series we can put January Feb also, means month's name. We can fill week names also. We can fill 1 to 3 also, that is the number series, and you can fill easily in that like other examples that I will show you here. First check the January Feb, that is what January month's name. Just write only Jan here, no need to write Feb, only write January, that is Jan, and again go to the cells right corner. When you convert your cursor in black plus sign, then drag it. See, it is done. Within a seconds it is done. Now the next we will check the Monday, Tuesday. Now I am putting here Monday. See, I am putting here short form of week names and month's name. If you write full name, then you can easily write full name. There is no difference between full name and half name. It will autofill like this only. Now type Monday, then again put the cursor right the corner and drag it like this. See, January Feb 1 2 3, Monday, Tuesday. You can put, if you work on some or corporate office files, you can write like this also. If you write product 1, okay, and you want to write product 1 2 3 4 5 6, like so on, so just select again the cell, go to the right corner and drag it. See, so it is very easy, it is very useful feature in Excel, that is called autofill series. Okay, thank you so much.